John's RC. So today we have the Rage RC Taylorcraft, and we actually got this from the AMA Expo yesterday. So I wanted to test it out today and give you a video. So we got this in a ready to fly package. So it comes with the Rage RC Taylorcraft micro transmitter right here. As you can see, it looks very nice and detailed. And what's even more detailed is the plane itself. It looks so scale. I love the paint job they did on it. But some of the unique features on this is that, as you can see, this is actually magnet held. I'm using Velcro on it, but yeah, because everything on here is almost magnets. As you can see, even the struts for the plane are magnetic. You can even take the struts off if you want. The cowl is magnetic, so if you need to make any adjustments to the nose, you have easy access to the motor and prop shaft. And everything just looks so nice. To me, it kind of looks like a Champ and a Timber combined. But this plane has a wingspan of 565 millimeters, has a length of 460 millimeters, and a flying weight of 60 grams with the battery installed. So the battery they gave us is a Rage RC 1-cell 250 milliamp hour battery with a 60C discharge rate. So yeah, let's go and fly it, guys. Alright, here we go. Taking off. I'm gonna do a hand launch because there's grass on the floor. Whoa, this thing is fast. And it's very loud. This is really fast. I'm gonna lower throttle a bit so I can slow down. Alright, I'm gonna go a bit higher so I can do a loop. Here we go, guys. Well, I easily did a loop. It's very nice. It does feel a bit sensitive to the sticks. I'm gonna bring it a bit closer to you guys so you can see. Yeah, it's very loud. But it seems to be holding up okay. It does seem like it's shaking a bit, but it's fine, honestly. Wow, I am so surprised on how fast this is. Let me bring it a bit high. And it does kind of sound like a real plane. Real old one though. I mean, this was based off the Taylor Cub. But wow, isn't that stable? Oh, it looks like the struts came off. Oh no. Alright, I have to land it so I can put the struts back on. Alright. Alright, so as you can see, guys, you can see it just clips on, so it's so convenient. Take it off, take it back on. Alright, here we go. Going for another flight. Here we go. Wow. Here, I'm gonna take it in for a low pass. I'm just amazed with this plane. It can be easy for beginners, but it would feel really nice for seasonal pilots. Here, let me try another roll. And from the advertisement I saw on this plane, apparently if you roll it and still stay on that angle, you can go upside down. So I don't know, should we try it? I'm gonna try it, but if something fails, I'm gonna flip it back up. I don't think flip is the right word. I have to do a loop so it goes back up, because this is a 3-channel plane, so you don't get ailerons. But here we go, guys. I'm gonna get some altitude. Oh, okay. It looked like it wants to flip back up, or roll back up, so it's righted up. Okay. So now I'm gonna start landing. Feel a bit fast right now. Alright, my goal is to not tip over. There's this patch of dirt in front of me, so I'm gonna try to land on that. Okay, good enough landing. But alright guys, this is my maiden flight on the Rage RC Taylorcraft plane. It felt really nice in the air, and I really wasn't expecting that speed for just a mini 3-channel plane. But it felt really nice in the air. It did feel a bit sensitive to the sticks, so I had to use small movements. But overall, it felt really nice. It was really stable, though sometimes it was shaky. But yeah, thanks for tuning to John's RC. And if you're new to this channel, feel free to like, comment, subscribe. Bye guys!